Traders, welcome back to another Relentless video. Yes, you guys have read the title correctly. This is a chance for you to potentially win a free MMU Gold membership, all access yearly subscription membership. Guys, Marcelo and I were thinking of ways to give back to the community coming into this new month, and this is the challenge that we came up with. Manifest your future. You guys know a lot of day trading, a lot of business, a lot of success is, positive affirmations, manifestation, envisioning yourself being successful and taking the necessary actions and plan to get there. So, for those of you who are serious about trading and serious about wanting something more and want to become a part of MMU, join the classes, become a student, and have access to our mentorships, uh, our lectures, our Q&As, our live trading archives, our live streams, and everything else that we offer, this is your chance. So here are the requirements to participate. First, you must be a part of our free Discord community. What is Discord, right? For those of you who don't know, Discord is a chat room service, right? An application. You can download it on your cell phone, you can download it on your PC, or you can just, type in Discord on your browser. And the link for our Discord is down below. You must be a part of our free chat room, all right? Free. So, second, you must be subscribed to this channel, my channel, Relentless Trader, and of course, Marcelo's channel, Mighty Stocks. All right, Mighty Stocks on YouTube. You'll see Marcelo right up there. You can pull him up, check him out. Third, and this is, we spoke, and we were thinking about ways to, weed out the people who are not as serious, because we want serious people here, right? We want this winner to be someone who is focused, dedicated, and willing to really dial it in and get towards that finish line of becoming profitable. All right. So, third, you must publish a 5-minute video on YouTube talking about your trading journey, why why we should pick you to be the winner, right, of this free membership. And third, what are your future dreams, right? And how will you, get there? What steps are you going to take to be able to achieve your goal, and reach to that finish line? So this is your chance. A 5-minute video, and the deadline, by the way, is May 25th. That way you guys have time. If you don't have a webcam or a mic, you can get it on there. And guys, it doesn't have to be fancy. You don't need high definition. You don't need the best, camera, best mic. You can just open up your PC, your laptop, use the laptop's microphone and webcam, but upload the video to YouTube and title it, right? MMU Manifesting My Future #challenge. All right. Now, when you have the video created and ready and published, you can send a link to Marcelo or myself, whether through Instagram, Facebook, Discord, and of course on our side, we will be searching up this title, right? So manifesting my future, right? MMU Manifesting My Future #challenge. And for those of you who, of course, may not be familiar with Marcelo, Marcelo is my best friend here in the trading community, and of course also my business partner. So when it comes to MMU, Merciless Markets, right? This is the day trading course that we've designed and have put together. And so again, you guys can come on the website, right? This website link will be down below as well. You can also find Marcelo's channel's link right here, right? My channel link is here as well. So if we click on this, it'll pull us right up here to Mighty Stocks, right? So yeah, here's Marcelo, and Marcelo, of course, has some great videos. And look at this, an excellent $37,000 month of April. All right, so be sure to check out Marcelo and subscribe to his channel and take a look at the website. If you didn't know that I offer a day trading course, I do. And for those of you who already know me, and for those of you who don't, I am the most transparent trader that you will ever see. I live stream all my trades. I post a recap at the end of the day. I post a monthly recap, a yearly recap, and there is nothing here that I have to hide. I'm very comfortable here being on camera and showing the people what I do. No tricks, no gimmicks. So, understand that, Marcelo and myself are the real deal. All right. It doesn't get any better than that. And you know, we really talk about that a lot because ultimately we're very prideful in our transparency. And it's something that a lot of people cannot do because they're simply not transparent. All right. So, be careful out there. And for those of you who are just watching on casually, know that for me, talking to the audience, there's never any pressure, right? This is something for just the people who, might want to get involved with our community, right? I always say this, right? If you're going to learn how to trade, learn how to do anything, any sort of skill, learn it from someone who is credible, right? That's the only thing I really say, whether me or somebody else, right? Because people ultimately, some people might want to trade, different style of trading here in the markets, or let's say, maybe cryptocurrency and forex, whatever it might be. The main thing is the person who you're learning from, they have to be credible, because if not, you're just learning nonsense, right? Someone who's fake and pretending. So yeah, take a look at the website. These are the things that we offer here. Again, weekly trading lectures, the course itself, which goes from zero to advanced, weekly Q&A sessions, Marcelo's live trading archive, which does include our level 2, my live trading archives as well, a daily watch list and trade plan every morning at 9 a.m. market time, daily live ultra low latency streaming through our Discord, and our Discord has an inner circle portion which is for students only. Right, so only students will have access to this, live ultra low latency streaming, of course, and then we have the chat room itself, and then the one-on-one mentorship with Marcelo and myself. Right, whether one of us or both of us, we're here, and you have two for the price of one, right? Two six-figure traders. And again, so stay tuned, guys. Get your videos together and get ready, of course, get ready to join and become a part of the community. And, into this new month, being that we'll only have one winner here, into this new month, we will be running a promo code for everyone else. And I think this might be our biggest discount yet. So again, we're giving back, and what a way to do it. All right. So that promo code, by the way, that promo code will be manifest, right? Manifest. Promo code manifest will give 50% off. But of course, you might want to wait, because of course you'll stand a chance at potentially winning it for free. All right. So with that being said, and I know there's some of you who might not want to, submit a video, so you just go ahead and check out. But yeah, for everyone else, good luck. And, after May 25th, we will see, who the new student is. All right, guys, it's been RT. So hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow for the monthly recap, or maybe later today, I think, for the monthly recap, going over April month in review. All right, so that'll be out today. I'll put it out today around 3 p.m., 4 p.m. Eastern time. All right, stay safe, stay green. I'm signing out.